If you want to find out how I achieved this makeup look, then do definitely stick around. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thelma Retabile Mbezi, also known as Retabile M, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, it is a sign to click on the subscribe button and join the family. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the clean girl makeup look. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I hope you will enjoy it. So the first thing that I do to make sure I get the most perfect base for my makeup is prepare my skin. I prepare my skin by applying a good moisturizer and a primer. I use a primer from ELF and it works very well for me. Then the next thing that I do is apply my foundation. If you have like good skin, you can definitely skip this part and apply your concealer. So I like to use two foundations because they give me the perfect match for my skin. And then I use a brush to spread the foundation. I dab the brush, I don't drag it, and I prefer using a brush over a sponge because the brush doesn't eat much of the product compared to the sponge. And I dab and dab and dab. After I evenly spread my foundation, I go in to apply my concealer. I use the Maybelline concealer. I don't put much of it because I want my makeup to look as clean as possible, and then I put it all over my face like this, on my forehead, bridge of nose, under eyes, chin and above, just under my nose. And then I use a brush for the same reason I use a brush for the foundation to apply the concealer. I just dab and dab and dab. I don't drag the concealer because I still want it to remain only in the places that I put it. I really like this concealer because it's so creamy and it doesn't crack. It's really the perfect concealer for my skin, and also it's very affordable and I would highly recommend it. I then go in with my foundation brush to make sure that everything is seamless. I don't want people to be able to see where my foundation ends, where my concealer ends. I just want everything to blend in together nicely and smoothly. I then go on to contour my face. I don't want it to be harshly contoured because at the end of the day I want my face to look as natural as possible. I actually use a foundation as contour because I bought a wrong shade and I couldn't just throw it away, so I just use it as contour. Then I go in to blend everything with the brush to make sure that everything still remains seamless and look as natural as possible. Then we move to my favorite part of every makeup, which is applying the blush. This is not actually a blush, it's a shade from my eyeshadow palette that I really like, so I've been using it as a blush for a while now. So I do apply my blush right on my cheekbone and I just blend it because still maintaining the same rule of making everything look seamless. I then do my brows. I usually brush my brows first. I don't apply a lot of things on my brows like gel and stuff. I just use an eyebrow pencil and then I just draw tiny strokes by the end of my brows and tiny strokes in the front. Because this is a clean girl makeup look, it still has to remain looking natural, so I'm not going to make my eyebrows dark. I'm just going to make them nice but still remain looking natural. I then brush my eyebrows in the front so that they don't look boxy. I brush them upwards and I brush the rest of the eyebrows. I then conceal my eyebrows using my foundation. I don't use a concealer because I want my eyebrows to look like they're perfect, but we're not trying too hard for them to look like they're perfect. I then conceal the top of my brows using my foundation. I know a lot of people would skip the step, but I feel like my makeup would not look complete until I conceal the top of my brows. So I just do it because I've gotten used to it. I then use the contour as eyeshadow on my eyelids, and I don't want anything too much because I still want the look to look clean and fresh and soft. So that's all that I do for the eyelids. Then a little bit of wing liner because a wing liner never killed anybody and it always makes the makeup look so perfect. So I just usually do like a tiny bit of a liner. I don't excessively draw my wing liner, and that's it. And then I apply mascara on my eyelashes as I prepare to put false lashes on them. I then put mascara on my lower lashes. I'm one person that doesn't have lower lashes, and that's it. And then I apply this glue that I got from Amazon. It's actually a magnetic glue. It works wonders. It has made applying false lashes easy for me. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using. I bought them from SHEIN. I'm not going to be using the long eyelashes or the super short ones, just the middle ones, and I will apply them at the outer corner of my eyes. I will put three of them, three clusters of the eyelashes, and that will be it. As you can see, because of that glue, it makes it so easy to apply these lashes. See how it looks so natural and so nice. I really like those lashes. And just like that, I finished putting the lashes. It took me like 2 minutes to apply them, and then I put mascara so that it looks seamless and it blends. I then move on to the lips. I usually use the same eyebrow pencil that I use on my eyebrows, and I line my lips. I then go on to apply a pinkish lipstick, because it's not too much. It still mimics like the natural color of my lips. I really want my makeup to look like I'm not putting on any makeup, but still I put on effort, but not too much, you know. And then I go on to put my lip gloss, and that's it for the lips. I then set my face using the banana powder, and not too much. I'm not going to bake at all, so I'm just going to use my powder puffer. Is it called a powder puffer? I forgot. I'm going to use that to just lightly tap on all the areas that I applied the concealer, and then I will use a brush also to blend everything, and then finally a setting spray, and that's the finished look. I really like this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.